In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do first is go to Play Store, as you can see right here, and then search for Instagram, and then check if there is a new update. If there is a new update, then you must click on it. And if there is no update, then go to the settings on your phone, scroll down until you find the apps manager. Click on it, go to apps and search for Instagram, then click on data usage and make sure to enable all those options right here like this, and go back, then click on storage and click on clear data and clear cache, and then click on force stop and restart your phone, then open Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. See you later. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.